Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are introducing ourselves. At first, I am introducing myself. My name is Fakhruddin. I am from Chatpur. Currently, I am working as a teacher at Dhaka Cantonment Girls Public School and College. Uh, Now, Rihan, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajida